find solutions to problems that we've not properly defined. If you don't define the problem properly, then I can guarantee you that whatever you come up with as a solution will not be the correct solution. And so I would like you to think about something. Do you think that this conversation is really about the financing of SMEs or support for SMEs? Or is it about something else that actually our societies are not working? We have not succeeded in building the concept of building a society. And once that bit is not clear, there is nothing else we can try to do about that that's going to work. It's almost like saying, I want to build a house, but I don't pay attention to building the correct foundation. I focus on building the wall or roofing it, but I've just missed the whole point of I need a foundation, an appropriate foundation and solid foundation. And then there is a bit of a mix of ideas and concepts. We've taken a very Western framework about contestation. Business is a competitive issue. But when we're looking for solutions, we keep confusing almost a collective responsibility for something that is supposed to be individual success. And we go back and forth without clarifying to ourselves, which one do we want? Do we want a community that owns, when I say owns, I don't mean down to the business, but owns the creation of that entity called the community, and accepts that different individuals within it will play different roles. But once you accept the community element, the structure of the solution will look different. I mean, my observation at the moment is that we are still caught up in rebelling because of our history. We have not yet developed ownership because we're coming from a history where we were excluded and they developed a rebellious mentality. Today we are still in a rebellious mentality and failing to build our societies because we don't own. Our minds still say we're outsiders. We have not yet owned. And as a result, we actually are not, I'm sorry to put it this bluntly, we are not yet capable of solving the fundamental issues of how to build our societies. And when I talk to young people, so you're all much younger than I am, believe me. I don't have to tell you how old I am, but you are. The demographics of the continent tell us that you are a supermajority. The foundations of any society are essentially lying in the governance of that society. The framework will be laid by the governance of that society. You complain about governance, but you don't look at the causality. What causes a particular governance to arise is the people that you, sitting in this room, elect and make you leaders of the society. The solution of all of the problems that you try to address which arise, I would argue, are from that mistake in formulating or forming the foundation appropriately. If you were to use your numbers and the leverage you've got through those numbers to really pay attention to who leads your communities, I can guarantee you a lot of your problems will go away. Thank you.